Without digitization, businesses operate in silos. Insights are delayed, visibility disappears. Outdated data, manual reconciliation, and guesswork decisions force teams to rely on scattered spreadsheets and stale reports. Operations slow down, costs rise, margins shrink, growth stalls, opportunities are missed, and customer demand goes unmet. That's why we built Nava AI, a single platform that brings together data across operations, finance, and sales, creating one clear, trusted view of the business. With real-time visibility and intelligent insights, leaders can see risks early, act faster, and make confident decisions. Nava AI helps teams move from reactive decisions to protecting margins, controlling costs, and driving sustainable, profitable growth. Without unified data, digital transformation falls short, and AI never delivers its promise. Businesses operate on different versions of the truth. Inconsistent data leads to unreliable outcomes. A lack of real-time insights leads to revenue risks, rising costs, and missed opportunities. Revenue declines quietly. Excess inventory piles up. Supplier inefficiencies go unnoticed. Without Nava AI, businesses operate in the dark. They can't anticipate what's coming next. There's no predictive view of demand, supply, or performance. Nava AI enables accurate forecasting of demand, inventory, cash flow, and performance, so teams can act early, not react late. When sales and data analytics are limited, growth becomes uncertain. Teams lack visibility in sales performance and customer behavior. Lead prioritization weakens, forecasts become inaccurate, and leadership is left to explain results rather than shape them. Nava AI unifies data across the enterprise to deliver 100% visibility from finance to operations. By transforming data into real-time insights and predictive intelligence, Nava AI enables businesses to anticipate demand, optimize inventory, and align teams through human and AI collaboration. The outcome is tangible and measurable: improved margins, faster operational response, stronger forecasts, and more resilient supply chains. With a proven 15 to 20 times ROI, Nava AI enables organizations shift from reactive operations to proactive, AI-driven decision-making. With Nava AI, bring clarity, intelligence, and confidence to your business.